In today's lecture, we'll learn how we implement the Boolean functions using CMOS circuits. So, let's try to implement this function here. Okay. Function f, it is equal to a dot b dot c dot d whole complement. Okay. Now, there's only one thing that you need to remember is that the basic CMOS, we know that this circuit, it acts as an inverter. Okay, so if I'm giving 1 at the input, at the output I'm getting a 0. So CMOS, by its inherent nature, it is an inverter. So whatever function I give to it, it will invert the function at the output. But what do I want? I want the function f to be implemented. Okay, this is what I want at the output. Okay, but if I give the input, if I implement this function using CMOS, I will get the complement of this function. I don't want the complement of this function, I want the function itself. So what do? If I implement the complement of this function, that is f complement, at the output I'll get f. See, if I'm giving function f complement, at the output I'll get f complement complement, which will be equal to the function. So when I am implementing any Boolean function with the help of CMOS, I don't directly feed the function as input. I complement the function first and then I give it to the CMOS circuit in order to obtain this function at the output. Why? Because अगर मैं input पे function का complement देती हूँ, output पे इस complement का complement मिलेगा and that is equal to the function itself. Okay, fine. So what do? The first step that we do is we take the the complement of this function and we implement that. What will be the complement of this function? It is simply a dot b dot c dot d. Okay, now here I have written a tip. PMOS dot means parallel and NMOS dot means series. We have done it earlier when we connected our PMOS and NMOS in series and parallel. We have done this just to make you understand, just to help you in remembering. I've made this small tip over here. PMOS dot, it means in parallel. So PMOS का जो topology होगी, अगर आपको dot implement करना होगा, then you have to put the PMOS circuits in parallel. Okay, so what we have to implement it using CMOS. तो पहले ये आपका कौन सा नेटवर्क है? ये आपका पुल अप नेटवर्क है. ओके, पुल अप नेटवर्क में आपके क्या है? PMOS जो है वो किस में रहेंगे? बिकॉज A डॉट B डॉट C डॉट D है. A, B, C और D के बीच में क्या है? डॉट. सो इट मीन्स दे विल बी इन पैरेलल. ओके, और C इसका उल्टा, बिल्कुल इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? NMOS के साथ. अगर PMOS में पुल अप नेटवर्क में पैरेलल में लगे हैं, पुल डाउन नेटवर्क में सीरीज में लगेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज A, B, C and D. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी implement the function using CMOS, and this circuit here, it will give you the function f at the output. Okay, now let's do another example. This one, f is equal to the function that is given here. So what is the first thing that we do? Because हमारा, मैं दोबारा बोल रही हूँ, because हमारा CMOS जो है वो क्या implement करता है? वो complement invert करता है. तो अगर हम उसको पहले से ही complement देंगे input पे ही किसी function का, output पे वो हमें क्या देगा? Complement का complement, which will be the function itself. So the first step we do is we take the complement of the function that needs to be implemented. What is the complement? It is simply A dot B dot C plus D. Okay, so you have to draw the pull up network and you have to draw the pull down network. पुल अप नेटवर्क में आपके पास क्या है, ए बी और सी किस में है, डॉट में. इट मीन्स द पीमॉस दे विल बी इन पैरेलल. ओके, और ये सारा जो है ए डॉट बी डॉट सी ये किसके साथ है, इन समेशन. इट इज दे आर इन समेशन विद डी. समेशन पीमॉस के लिए क्या मतलब है, सीरीज. ओके, सो A dot B dot C in parallel and this whole combination in series with D. Okay, this will implement your pull up network. Okay, बिल्कुल इसका उल्टा हम लोग किस में कर रहे हैं, पुल डाउन नेटवर्क में. ओके, पुल डाउन नेटवर्क में क्या आएगा, A B C here they are in parallel, so A B C here they will be in series. ठीक है, और ये सारी कॉम्बिनेशन जो है then it is in series with D. ओके, बट पुल डाउन नेटवर्क में क्या होगा, ये सारी कॉम्बिनेशन जो होगी इट विल बी इन पैरेलल विद D. ओके, एंड दिस सर्किट इट विल implement the function f at the output. Okay, now another example. This is the example of XOR gate, how we implement it using CMOS. It has been done and I'm very sure that you will be able to do it if you understood what I told you till now. Okay, now you will implement these functions and you will do them at your own place. Now this is a very important topic. It is called as transistor sizing. Okay, now when the MOSFET it is in on state, it shows some resistance to the flow of current, and that resistance it is given by this equation. Okay, and as you can see that the on resistance here it is inversely proportional to W by L ratio. Okay, so as your W by L ratio it decreases, the on resistance it will increase, and as your W by L ratio it increases, the on resistance will decrease. Because आपका W by L ratio बढ़ जाता है तो आपकी रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगी, वो कम हो जाएगी. और अगर आपका W by L रेशियो आपका कम हो रहा है तो देन द रेजिस्टेंस इट विल इंक्रीज, और अगर ये बढ़ रहा है देन द रेजिस्टेंस इट विल डिक्रीज. ओके, सो द रेजिस्टेंस इट इज़ इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू W by L. ओके, नाउ keeping this in mind, let's move forward. Here, if these transistors they are connected in series, how do we connect a transistor, these transistors in series like this? What is increasing? L is increasing. W width में कोई change नहीं आ रही है, सिर्फ क्या हो रहा है, जितना मैं transistors के number बढ़ा रही हूँ, the more they are in number, the greater will be the length. Okay, तो L क्या हो रहा है, इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. W by L रेशियो क्या हो रहा है, वो डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है. जब L इंक्रीज़ हो गया ये पूरा रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा, ये डिक्रीज़ हो जाएगा, और R को क्या हो जाएगा, द रेजिस्टेंस इट विल increase. Okay, so the resistance it increases. So when we connect the transistors in series, because there is an increase in the length of the circuit, the resistance of this circuit it will increase. Okay, now let's see what will happen in parallel. The length is the same. Okay, but what is increasing, W is increasing. As W increases, W by L ratio increases and R decreases. Okay, R is inversely proportional to W by L. जितना आपका W by L बढ़ रहा है उतनी आपकी रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो रही है, इट इज़ कमिंग डाउन. तो जब हम लोग पैरेलल में कोई भी सर्किट रखते हैं, एट दैट टाइम द रेजिस्टेंस इट कम्स डाउन. ओके, देन